Alright guys, this is Mosha coming to you from Mosha's Reggae Lounge in the Dominican Republic. I got a group of guys here. I say that's my friend. This is Mosha coming to you from the Dominican Republic, from Mosha's Reggae Lounge in the Dominican Republic. I got a group of brothers. Hey guys, this is my people. Tell the people how you like the food.
Hey, it was great. Excellent. We
This
came
is
all the way from Jersey.
Jamaican. He got jerk. He got brown. What you got? Oxtail. How was the shit?
Excellent.
But now I lie, the food mash up the place.
Yeah, you got the food color.
Reggae Lounge.
Yeah, you got Mosha Reggae Lounge, the first and only Jamaican restaurant in the Dominican Republic. And these are my friends. These are my people. These are my mira tu número. ¿Cuál es tu nombre?
Mireli.
Mireli, mi amiga. Yaneri, hey, they chilling with me today. They're from Touve in Dominican Republic. They've been with me from last night. This is Mosha coming to you from Mosha's Reggae Lounge in the beautiful Dominican Republic with the beautiful girl. Hey guys, one more thing. I got to do a video for the beach project. The beach project is in place, and a lot of people are saying that the government is doing this and the government is doing that and all kinds of nonsense. Look guys, I don't know. Yes. So let me tell you what's going on. I know for sure that the beach project is for the betterment of Sosua. I've been here 12 years, and I'm telling you, I've seen like 4 presidents, 2 mayors. I'm not into the politics, but I'm here to tell you one thing. Progress is coming. Another thing, when the girls come from the countryside to Sosua, the money that they make does not benefit Sosua. I have a business here, so I know exactly what I'm talking about. The money these girls make don't go to Sosua. It goes out to they send the money back to their country, to their countryside, where they come from. So what the government is trying to do, they're not trying to shut down and push them out, right? They're not trying to do that. They're trying to. How many people know that there was a port, a cruise port that was closed for 20 years here? Now this president just opened that port. There's a private port and there's a public one. The public one is now open, so there's 2. Carnival Cruise own one. What the president is trying to do is set up the beach, clean up the beach, so everybody can come and enjoy. This is what I know. And what he's not pushing them off the beach. They have a contract for them if they want it to take a small loan at small interest. So he's not pushing everybody out. They're preparing the place little by little. Okay? So I'm gonna do another video with exactly what the deal is, right? Mariene, bye bye, mi amor.